Hello, I'm Deepali, and I worked on the creating a career assistant using AI. So I will first walk through the problem, and then I'll talk what can be the solution, and then I'll talk what current features I have in this project and what are future implementations. So first of all, um, I would like to talk about the problem. What are like job search and career preparation challenges? Job search and career preparation is time consuming and overwhelming because there is um, struggle with writing resumes and preparing for the interviews, and candidates can try preparing and searching for the jobs over spending over months without success. Then there is lack of personal guidance. Many candidates they lack an expert advice on resume building and job applications. There's also interview anxiety and preparedness because candidates don't feel prepared and don't have a system where they can practice the mock interviews. And there's also information overload um, because there are like a countless number of like job portals, and the process can be very inefficient and confusing at times. So the solution which I propose is to build a career assistant using GenAI, which will build a AI-powered resume, and which will also assist job seekers with the job search, and a system which will also assist the job seekers for the interview preparation, like give them the real-time interview practice and simulate the questions, and then give feedback on their responses. Um, and yeah, let's go to the next slide. So current feature I have right now is um, AI-powered job search and the resume generation um, in my project. The future implementation I would like to add is the AI-driven interview preparation, which simulates Q&A session for both technical interviews and common interview question, and then which also has a realistic mock interview scenarios, so that the candidates feel ready for the interview. I also plan to add the learning and content creation for like which will help the users to uh, learn from the content created by the AI, depending on the topics they want to learn. And I also plan to add the on-demand Q&A support, so that the candidates get the instant answer to their questions. So this is the graph of the features. Basically, um, when the user types a query in the chatbot, it will categorize that query into either resume preparation or job search or interview preparation or learning. And then accordingly, it will generate the response. So I would like to demo um, the job search and resume making, which I have currently implemented. So let me type a query, search for generative AI jobs based out of and the app is running, and this will basically search uh, the internet and gather the jobs for generative AI based out of San Francisco Bay Area. So it gathered some of these jobs. So if I click on that, it will actually take you to the job posting. Like this, yeah. And this is for the resume making. So let me yeah, let me grab the questions which I have for resume making. So help me create a resume to apply for Gen AI jobs. And it is asking me to provide some information like personal information and professional summary. So let me grab that as well, professional information and the summary. Okay, and then it's asking to add the skills and professional experience. Um, and it is now asking me to give the details about my previous job roles. And it should build the resume shortly. Yes, so this is the resume. It has come up with the information I provided. Um, and that's all I have for the demo.